Hey CEO Angels, welcome back to the CEO Angel channel, and today's topic is going to be about the violations of the FCRA. FCRA means Fair Credit Reporting Act. So that means that a citizen has the right to dispute any inaccurate information that they find on their credit report. They have the right to dispute anything that they find inaccurate on their credit report. So if you have some inaccuracies on your credit report, then look up this law, guys, okay? Because it is very important before you start doing credit repair on your credit or anybody else's credit. Make sure you are knowledgeable of this law, and it's called FCRA, which stands for Fair Credit Reporting Act. So now that we got that out the way, let's get to the video. First violation that I'm going to mention to you guys is when the credit reporting agencies repeatedly reports inaccurate information on your credit report after you have sent them a letter asking for verification, and you told them the error that was on your credit report or the inaccurate information on your credit report, and they are completely ignoring you and constantly reporting that same error, and they are constantly reporting that inaccurate information. Make sure you have that account removed, because you have the right to have it removed, because that is a violation. The second violation is when the credit bureaus reinsert the account that was once deleted off your credit report without them consenting to you or making you aware that they will reinsert the account within 5 days. They have 5 days to contact you before they reinsert it or whatever. So if you do not be contacted by the credit bureaus, then that is a violation of the FCRA. So if they do not contact you, because 9 times out of 10 they do not contact anybody when they reinsert an account that has on your credit report. Now, the third violation is when the credit bureaus fail to respond within 30 days of your verification letter. So let's say that you dispute to a collection agency or a credit card company, and they do not respond to your dispute within 30 days, which they have 45 days to respond if you received your free credit report from annualcreditreport.com. So they have leeway with that, but all the other times they have 30 days to respond to your dispute. So if they do not respond within 30 days, then you send another letter in, a failure to respond letter, and they must delete that account off of your credit report. The fourth violation of the FCRA is when the credit bureaus report the bankruptcy accounts for more than 10 years. So this goes by saying that if you ever heard of the statute of limitations, that means that the accounts on your credit report have a limitation of how long they can remain on your credit report. So bankruptcy can remain up to 10 years versus other accounts can remain up to 7 years. So if the credit bureaus haven't deleted that bankruptcy within 10 years, then that's a violation, and you can have that account removed immediately. Now, the fifth one is reporting paid tax liens after 7 years from the date of the payment. So if you pay off your tax lien and it's still reporting after 7 years, then that's a violation. So make sure you contact the credit bureaus and have that account removed immediately, guys. These steps are very important when doing credit repair. Either if you're doing credit repair on yourself or somebody else, it's still helpful, because we need to know these laws of the FCRA. The sixth violation is, let's say if you sent off a dispute letter and it came back verified. You have 15 days to respond to that, asking for proof of verification, like who they contacted, the name of the company that they contacted, like where did they, what's the original creditor name, and do they have your signature on the documentation, or the address, the phone number of the original company or whatever. So if they do not contact you or reply back to your verification letter within 15 days, then that account must be removed from your credit report. So keep in mind that after they send you a verification letter saying that the account is verified, once you send your response from their verification to them, they have 15 days to respond to your request for proof of verification. Does that make sense? Okay, so they have 15 days to respond back to you. So if they don't respond within 15 days with the proof, then you can contact them and say that this account needs to be deleted because you are in violation. And my 7th violation, which is the last one for today, is when the credit bureaus do not remove a collection or charge-off account within 7 years. So charge-offs and collection accounts, that statute of limitation is 7 years. So if that account is still reporting after 7 years on your credit report, then they are in violation. So that means you need to contact them and have that account removed, okay? So I'm just trying to provide y'all with the steps that you all need to take in order to do effective credit repair for yourself or for anybody else, family, friends, strangers, whoever you're doing credit repair for. This law helps tremendously. You must know this law, okay? And once again, the law is called Fair Credit Reporting Act, and it gives citizens the right to dispute any inaccurate information on their credit report. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. All my information will be in the description below, and have a great day.